Good evening everyone, my name is Blessy. I am studying 9th class in KGBB Nadella.
Good evening everyone, my name is Prasna. I am studying 8th class. I am KGBB Nadella.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sishtala. I am studying 7th class in KGBB.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sarisa. I am studying 6th class in KGBB Nadella.
Title of the project: Rain Detector Cloth Production. Introduction. A rain detector is a simple electronic device, can be fluid on the buzzer. When it starts to rain, helps of the protect things, clothes, crops are when it starts to rain.
Demo step by step. So the driver sensor, buzzer, LED off, sprinkle a few drop of water, buzzer turning off LED blue. Repeat drive sensor, buzzer stop LED turning off again.
Project of the components: raindrop nozzle, jumper wire, IR sensor, Arduino Uno, servo motor.
Project explanation. One a raindrop on the clothes on the cloths.
Conclusion: this detector is a simple but useful project. Works on the principle of water conductivity. It helps us take quick action when it starts raining and can be easily extended to smart system using Arduino Uno.
Thank you, Ananda.